Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming basic conditions so you can fix the magnifier now. Check that your Xbox One is on the latest system update because many magnifier bugs are resolved there. Next, open Settings Ease of Access and toggle magnifier off and then on. This resets the feature. Make sure your controller has charge or plug in a wired controller to avoid input lag. Once done, restart the console if magnifier still feels unresponsive. This ensures settings fully apply. Now you dig into the detailed configuration so the magnifier behaves reliably. Open Ease of Access and pick a zoom level that suits you. Higher zoom increases CPU load, so balance clarity versus performance. Choose Tracking. Focus follows controller or manual pan. Focus follows is smoother for menus. Turn on audio cues and larger pointer size to orient quickly. Test magnifier across the home screen, the guide, and in a game overlay to ensure consistency before finishing. Complete the fix by finalizing settings and knowing one key troubleshooting step. After you set preferences, restart the Xbox One so every change loads cleanly, then test responsiveness in several apps. If the magnifier still fails, remove your profile, clear local saved settings, and resync your profile. This often resolves corrupted accessibility data. Make sure to note your console ID. If nothing works, contact Xbox support and describe the steps you tried so they can check for a hardware-related issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.